The Sun is the only self-luminous body in our solar system. The Sun is a fixed star and the only self-luminous object within our solar system. It is very big and scorching hot. The Sun is like a mother to all living creatures. It warms and lights the Earth, which enables all living creatures to exist. Many black dots appear on the Sun's surface. The number of these dots increases and decreases repeatedly. The black dots are called sunspots, and they appear in Earth is where humankind lives. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. This blue planet is where we live. Earth can sustain a moderate temperature because it is surrounded by an atmospheric layer. Earth has varying climates and weather, which allow different kinds of plants and animals to live. Unlike other planets, Earth rotates on a tilted axis. Saturn has the most beautiful rings. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, and it is the second largest planet after Jupiter in the solar system. Saturn has numerous rings that resemble a vinyl record. The rings are made of billions of ice particles and rocky debris. Many moons orbit around Saturn. The rings around Saturn were first observed by Galileo. Curiosity is a robotic rover that explores Mars. Curiosity is a robotic rover that explores Mars. Curiosity, a Mars rover about the size of a car, landed on Mars and explored the planet's surface. Its purpose was to explore the climate and geological features of Mars. Curiosity landed on Gale Crater and studied Mars's climate, soil, and the role of water. It is currently investigating whether there are any life on Mars. Chang'e 3 landed Yutu, a lunar rover, on the Moon. Chang'e 3 is the Moon lander. It was named after the goddess of the moon in Chinese mythology. It landed on the Moon and dropped off a rover. The rover was called Yutu. Chang'e 3 was China's first moon lander. Hitan was Japan's first lunar probe. Hitan was Japan's first lunar probe. It was the first lunar probe to be launched by a country other than the USA or the Soviet Union. Hitan released a small moon orbiter, Hagoromo, into lunar orbit. Its transmitter failed. However, Mercury is the fastest planet orbiting the Sun in our solar system. Its low mass and weak gravity causes it to have atmospheric layer. Because it has no atmospheric layer protection, many meteorites collide with the planet, creating impact craters. Earth is the planet we live on. Earth is a beautiful planet with blue seas, green mountains, brown soil, and white clouds. Earth is the only planet known to have life. Only one side of the moon is visible, and we cannot see its backside. The moon has many craters, marks remaining from meteorite impacts. Discovered in 1930, Pluto was once known as the 9th planet of our solar system. However, it was later reclassified as a dwarf planet when the International Astronomical Union redefined the criteria of a planet in 2006. Pluto orbits the Sun in the Kuiper Belt in the outer edge of our solar system. Saturn has beautiful rings around it. Saturn's rings were once mistaken for one of its many moons when it was viewed via astronomical telescopes from Earth. The mistake was due to the underdeveloped quality of telescopes at the time. Saturn's rings are made up of Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is made of various gases. As a gas giant, Jupiter's rotation is fast and creates channels of clouds. Jupiter is known for its great red spot, which is visible when observed closely. Neptune has the fastest blowing winds in our solar system planets. Its color is similar to that of Uranus. But unlike Uranus, it has a giant anticyclonic storm. This storm is called the Great Dark Spot, and it moves very fast. Neptune also has rings, but they are difficult to observe as they are quite dark. The Sun is the only star within our solar system. It shines brighter than any other celestial body, with
the only self-luminous body in our solar system, the Sun. The Sun is the only star in our solar system, and it is the brightest object shining in our sky. Its astronomical symbol is a circle with a dot in the middle, which represents the Sun in the middle of our solar. Earth, the only planet with life. It is the only planet that harbors life in the solar system. Earth revolves around the Sun every 365 days. It completes a full rotation once every 24 hours. These regular Saturn, the god of agriculture. Saturn is named after the Roman god of agriculture, who was known for his slowness. Before modern telescopes, Saturn was thought to have the slowest revolution cycle, and this is why it was named after the god of agriculture. Its astronomical symbol, sickle, a representative farm tool,